Hello everyone. So today I'm going to explain you about data structure programs as per Usmania University curriculum. So the first program is array implementation on stack. So first of all, let's understand about what is stack. Then we'll be explaining you about algorithm and we'll discuss about program. So the contents of this video is what is a stack and algorithm of stack, program stack. And here I wanted to make point clear. I'm going to write two programs. One program is implementing arrays with fixed memory size and implementing array with dynamic memory size. So this video you can understand what is a stack, how to write an algorithm, and the two different programs. One program is for fixed memory size, the other program is dynamic memory size. Now let's talk about what is a stack. So basically stack is a linear data structure. When I say it is a linear data structure, what do you mean by data structure? Data which is arranged in a proper manner. We generally we will be having a bulk of data, correct? If you have only 1-2 items, it is not a problem to arrange it. When you are dealing with a bulk of data, then you have to arrange all the data in a particular manner to retrieve it, to access it back. So now you have to arrange this data. The data arrangement is what? Linear. So stack is what? Stack is a linear data structure which follows LIFO order. Now what do you mean by LIFO order? Last in, first out. Once you place an element into the stack, so that element can be taken by using this phenomena, last in first out. Now let's understand about this in detail. Now look at this. It is something like a bucket which is having only one end. So this is the end where you can put some items inside, and this is the same end where you can take items from this, correct? Now let's say that I wanted to put all the balls inside. So I have a red color ball, a blue color ball, a yellow color ball. So I wanted to place these three balls in this bucket. Now first of all I am placing red ball. Before I place red ball, I am just looking at the bucket availability of the capacity. Is this bucket having capacity to place red ball? The very first thing is that. So looking at the capacity or else looking at the size. Fine. Now after that, after you understand that it can place some item, that it can place item red or blue or yellow ball inside, then we will place that one by one. Fine. Now I am just placing red ball over here. So after I place red ball, what is the pointer or else what is the capacity we utilized? Let's say that this is having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The capacity is what, or the size is what? 5. Now I have placed red ball over here. Still more 4 places. So I am placing here blue ball. Which ball I inserted just now? Blue ball. Which ball I can take now? Blue only. So this is what? Last in first out. Last in first out is what? Whatever we inserted last, that can be taken first. That is the concept of stack. Now how to implement this stack, that we'll understand with the algorithm. So this is the algorithm. Algorithm generally we'll write in the way not using something begin and end. It's don't concentrate on begin and end, but concentrate on the logic what we were writing. So we were beginning the algorithm. The next is what I told you, that you have to look at the stack size. So stack size I have taken max is equal to 5. It's your wish to take this maximum value. Fine. Now initialization top is equal to -1. Look at this one. I have started this stack with what? 0. Before this red ball inserted into the stack, there is no element. That means the end of the stack value is -1. So the end from where I am pushing inside and I am popping out, that end is called as top of the stack. So top value initially I am just putting it is -1. When top value is -1, what it indicates? That it indicates it's a empty. Now, so I am just display a menu listing stack operations. What stack can perform? Stack operations are, it performs push. That means we can insert any element. So it definitely have an argument. And pop. So pop, we don't pass any value because whatever element was there on the top of the stack, it will get deleted. And we have the other function which is peek or display function. We'll just display it, whatever elements were there. And that's it. There are two more things that are is full and is empty. These are what Boolean functions to check whether stack is full, whether stack is empty. In order to perform push and pop operations, if stack is returning true value for is full, then I can perform only pop, correct? If stack is returning true value for is empty, I can perform push. So 5 operations stack can perform. Now look at the algorithm. So I'm just listing out all these choices or operations. Then I have to choose one among it. If I'm choosing the first choice, any choice, then if top is less than maximum -1, that means what? Now you can put some element inside. That means increment top. So store element at current position of top. Else printf stack overflow. So this is what the condition. When top is equal to maximum -1, you will get stack overflow. When top value is less than from maximum, then you can store elements, you can insert element, you can push element. Yes? Now after that, if choice is equal to 2, then if top less than 0, then print stack underflow. So top is equal to initial value -1. If it is less than 0, then what it indicates? It's underflow, no elements, it is empty. Now, if it is not, then you can display the current top element. So now we'll decrement the top. Next, if choice equal to 3, then display stack element starting from top. So this ending, the stop or end is the ending of algorithm. So this is what complete algorithm. This algorithm will helps you to understand stack, as well it helps you to write into your exam and make you to step into the coding part. So this is about introduction to stack and algorithm of stack. Now in the next video, I'll explain you the code of stack using arrays.